Hello, how are you today? The question I have is this. Have you did something that you regret? That you regret thinking about, making that decision, going through it. But at the end, it was all teaching you a lesson. Okay, today's topic is this. Renewed relationship. We're in the book of Jeremiah today, chapter 31, verses 21, and we're going to go down to verses 31 through 35. I'm Evangelist Harris, bringing you your daily home Bible reading for Tuesday, April the 14th, 2026. Let's dive into this lesson. The children of Israel are coming out of Babylon. They're going back home to this place where it all began. But they going with a renewed mind. You see, God made a covenant with their fathers and forefathers back in the day. But he made a new covenant with the children. So I say this. Whatever the lesson is that you have to learn, whatever you went through, that you have to get to that place in God that you say, Lord, I thank you for bringing me out. And I learned what it is I need to learn. Actually walk in what you learned. Don't go back and repeat it, what you did at first to get in the situation you're in. But thank God that he brought you out. So now you can teach the next person what it is that they need to learn so they won't get in that situation. Learn the lesson. Grow from it. Have a great rest of your day, and remember, Jesus loves you.